Hello guys, my name is Nsikaka and you're welcome to my official YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create or sign up on Kucoin account and receive a $5 bonus. Alright, so let's head on to Google. So when you head on to Google, you can see this is Kucoin. You click on Kucoin or you type Kucoin. Then you click on it, this first one, the one that carry this that logo. Right, we are here, so you can see this sign up button. You click on it. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, so when you're here, is either you use your phone number, oh come on, is either you use your phone number or you use your email address. So in this case, we are going to use our email address. Alright, so you click on email. If it is phone number you want to use, you click on phone number. If it is email, you click on email. But in this case, I'm going to use email. Alright, so I click on email. Excuse me. Alright, so when you input your email address and then you click on this send code, they are going to send you a code that you will now use and put here. Alright, so put in your password. Alright, you put referral code. When you use my referral code, you are going to get a $5 bonus, or you use my referral link in the description below. Alright, and I'm going to get a little commission for that. So you click on, after you've done putting all this, make sure you click on this send code. Let's click on it. Then you click on I'm not a robot. Gosh, alright, this can be very annoying, but let's do it. Mountains or hills. Alright, so we are good to go. Let's get okay, you can see the verification code has arrived, so let's get it before it expires. It takes about 1 minute. Man, this network is slow. Come on. I don't know why it's taking time. Alright. Where is it? 7620. Uh, Alright. That's it. Let's wait for it to load. Don't know why it's taking time. If you want to save your password, you can save it. But for me, I don't want to save it now. Alright, so here is it. Alright. We finally created our account. So the next thing you need to do is to go to Play Store and download the app, or you can download it directly from here. I'm trying to see where I can get it. Alright, no issues. You can head on to Play Store and download the app. After downloading, you input your login details and boom. Alright, look at it. We click on it. Here is it. Alright, why it's showing updates? Because I already have the app in my phone. Alright, but in your own case, it might not appear like this. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on install. Your own might be showing install, so just click on install and it will start installing. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you can see more of these videos. Alright, so thanks a lot, really appreciate. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Thanks very much. See you in the next video.